I'm going to be showing you how to sell Pokemon cards digital on Etsy. So digital Pokemon cards on Etsy is tricky and you need to be careful here. So let's start with a important reality check first. So you cannot legally sell official Pokemon card images or copies or even digital ones unless you have permission from the rights holders, which is Nintendo and Pokemon Company, and that includes scanned Pokemon cards, recreated exact card art, and printable Pokemon cards using official characters. So Etsy actively removes these listings for copyright infringement. So what you can sell instead, which is safe and profitable, is fan-made inspired cards and not official copies. So you can design monster style, trading cards, fantasy creature cards, battle card templates, and it must be original artwork and no Pokemon names or images. You can also try custom trading card templates, which is the best option. You can sell editable designs like trading card maker templates, card game templates, and kits collectible card designs. You can use Canva to create them. You can also use printable card packs. You can have anime style creature cards pack, cute monster collectible cards, fantasy battle card step, and in this way you can successfully sell Pokemon cards digitally on Etsy in a safe way. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.